Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw real money from your Pokerstars account on mobile. So it's the exact same for iPhone or Android, but I'm using iPhone in this case. Launch the Pokerstars app. From there, press the login button. It's going to change Face ID, transfer to this device. And then once we're logged in, what you can do is go over to the top right where it shows you how much money you have in your Pokerstars account. Press that. And this is the cashier right here. So what we want to do is go over to withdraw. Choose amount to withdraw. Your available balance is $12.29. So what you can do is withdraw amount in USD, enter the amount, say that you wanted to withdraw the entire amount, go in there, withdraw terms and rules. There's the withdraw policy as well. You can go to withdraw. And then automatic withdrawals are credited back to methods you deposited with in the past. So automatic withdrawal amount, $12.29 to the Visa debit card that's on file for me that I deposit from. Press the green arrow, follow the steps, and then that will help you withdraw the money from your Pokerstars account into your bank account. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks.